How would you like to get paid to melt stuff? With a career in welding, you can quickly be earning a good wage and doing something you enjoy. Many companies, from shipbuilders to fabricators, need welders. So what does a welder do? There are many types, but the most common is arc welding, where you use an electric current to melt steel and other metals together. With just a few weeks of schooling, you can be safely welding huge pieces of steel together to make transport ships and smaller pieces to make industrial trucks. Welding gives you the opportunity to quickly learn a valuable skill you can use anywhere.